So here we are at the Terrace Garden. With the bathroom. It's got this cool little door. Just a basic Thai shower. It's got a heat thing though. Sink. Not very big. But this is nice. We have a little bed stand, a bed. How's the bed? Is the bed hard? Yeah, the bed's hard. We got a little balcony with nothing on it. That's the view. Hot pot, tea, sugar. Oh, so nice. 2 chairs and a little desk area and stuff. So, I mean, that's nice. Ooh, nice bottles of water. And TV, decent sized TV. So, seems really big over here. There's another desk. Oh, that's the extra desk for doing your makeup and stuff. Nice. Yeah, just very basic little closet. And probably a little place to put your suitcase and stuff. So, no, I mean, this is nice. Where's the other lights? No. Here. Ah, there you go. Okay. So, basic hotel room.